right next to us. He's like right there.
He doesn't go that fast.
No.
Yeah. It looks like it's such a
Looks so
little
slow.
plane with like big wings.
Well, because
Seems like
it
it
has
has
the
no-
spray stuff, and it's very agile. They're actually pretty high performance
look.
planes, you know that.
Oh, it does.